How to type bold text on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can type bold text on Facebook. Now, if you open the app, you'll get an interface like this and you'll find an option what's on your mind where you can create a post. Now, type in the post that you want to type. You won't get an option of bold text here. But what you can do is long tap on this text here and select everything and then copy it. Now go back to your Chrome or your Safari or your browser that you would like to use, and here search for bold text generator. Once you do this, you'll get the link of couples of links here. Now just long tap on normal text goes here and paste it, and here you'll get the option of bold text. Now just select, and once you do this, copy it and head back to your Facebook app again, and once you select this all and paste it here, so you can see that I've got a bold text now. This way you can type bold text on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.